Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Chirag's Kitchen with me Chirag Parmar. Today I am going to make some special dish of Hyderabad which is very tasty and delicious. Dum biryani is ready. So let's start for making chicken dum biryani. So it is very tasty and very marvelous. So let's go for ingredients. So first I had taken half kg of curry cut chicken. I had taken boneless and with bone pieces. So after that whole spices, so which includes whole masalas. So first I had taken black pepper 7 to 8 cloves, 5 to 6 piece, black cardamom 2 to 3 piece, bay leaf 1 to 2 piece, star fruit 2 to 3 piece. So first I had taken half cup of freshly chopped mint, salt to taste, turmeric powder half teaspoon, red chili powder 2 tablespoon, garam masala 2 tablespoon, biryani masala 2 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, green chili 3 to 4, freshly chopped coriander leaves. So 1 cup I had taken curd, that is half cup. So first we will start from the marination of the chicken. I am taking chicken and then I am adding curd and then ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, then garam masala and our biryani masala. So first I had taken bay leaves, then whole black pepper and then black cardamom, cloves, then cinnamon and coriander leaves, salt as per taste, and after that I had put chili. We have to mix very properly. So after that I am adding 2 tablespoon of more curd for the richness. As much time you keep chicken for marination, so that much your biryani will be very tasty. And then long grain basmati rice I had taken, easily available on the shops. So now I am going to wash in 2 to 3 water, then I am keeping for soak for 10 minutes. Till that time we will boil the water and we have to add salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we have to give the boil properly, keeping the lid, and then we have to put whole spices, and then we have to add, after boiling the water, we have to add the rice and we have to cook properly. We have to cook only 80%. So our rice is ready, so we have to strain with the help of strainer. Yeah, you can see how nice fluffy rice has been ready. So now we have to make the barista. It's time for barista. So we have to slice onion into slices, thin slices, and then we have to fry on the medium flame oil, and see our barista is ready. So nice color has been came, so we have to strain with the help of strainer, and here our marination is take place after 30 minutes. So here I had taken one handi, mud handi. So now we have to spread the chicken on the layer. So after that we have to add 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of ghee. As much you add ghee, it is nice. And after that we have to add barista, 1 layer of barista, coriander, and 1 layer of rice. So our 1 layer of rice has been ready. Then we have to add salt as per taste. I'm adding rose water, 1 tablespoon, so the flavor and the aroma will come very nice. And then I'm adding saffron milk, which I had made it. And first garam masala we have to sprinkle, and then we have to sprinkle biryani masala. After that we have to 1 more layer of barista, and then same procedure, 1 layer of coriander. You can sprinkle coriander as much you put, so the taste will be nice and rich. And 1 more time we have to sprinkle the layer of rice, and at last we have to bring color to the rice as per your choice. If you don't want to add color, so it's okay. After that we have to add rose water 1 more time, and then we have to sprinkle garam masala and biryani masala, and now at last salt and barista 1 more time, 1 layer of barista 1 more time, and same coriander and ghee at edges of the handi. You have to add ghee, and then like roti dough I had made for the covering of the lid to give the dum. So now I'm keeping 1 lid on the handi, and then I'm sticking the dough on the edges of the handi properly. No air should go outside, so that is known as dum biryani. So we have to give dum properly. And now I'm going to keep handi and cook the biryani for 5 minutes on the fast flame, and another 15 minutes you have to keep on the slow flame. So after that, if your marination has been taken place very nicely, max to max 20 minutes to cook. So then we have to crack the dough and you can see how the biryani is leaving the aroma from inside, and the steam is coming out from inside. So our biryani is ready. So we have to cut the biryani, cut from corner, plate it very nicely in the royal way. So you can see how nicely I had plated with the wedges of lemon and onion rings. And speciality of this biryani, it goes with the raita of mixed vegetable like onion, tomato, cucumber and curd, and we have to sprinkle salt and pepper and garnish with coriander leaves. So try at your home this quarantine. If you like this video, so please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Chirag's Kitchen, and please press the bell icon to see all my yummy and delicious recipes. Thank you.